Masterway Premade Bag Packing Machine, a high-efficiency, hygienic, and intelligent integrated device. The entire machine adopts a stainless steel structure and features a 6 to 10 station rotary collaborative system, building a smart production line. The pouch opening process utilizes dual negative pressure adsorption technology, which ensuring a high success rate. The feeding system can be matched with different devices to achieve precise quantitative feeding. Combined with rapid sealing technology, the packaging process is both fast and stable. From pre-made pouch loading to finished product output, the entire process can achieve unmanned operation, saving multiple operators compared to traditional equipment. The pre-made pouch packaging machine is suitable for packaging various materials, such as sauces, granules, and powders, and can adapt to multiple pouch types. Let's take a look at the packaging demonstration process for liquid sauces as an example. Currently, Masterway's fastest pre-made pouch packaging machine can produce 80 to 100 packs per minute, delivering high-quality finished products with smooth, flat, and securely sealed packaging. The pre-made pouch packaging machine better adapts to factory production needs, serving as a powerful tool for manufacturers to enhance productivity. If you're looking to upgrade to automated packaging, feel free to contact us. For more, subscribe to my YouTube channel.